With
Lexi.
and
Joe.
Alright, so today I'm here with
Kaya.
how are you guys today?
Good. Fantastic.
Alright, that's great. Now the first question is, who do you think cheats more, guys or girls?
Even. Test or relationships?
Huh? What?
Test or relationship?
Relationship wise.
Probably even.
Yeah. Alright, can we run a train on you guys?
Oh Lord. A what?
A train?
Yeah, can we run a train on you?
I don't know what the train is. I don't know what it is. Sorry.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
A train.
A train. Can we run a train?
Sure.
Alright.
Oh.
Really, nigga?
It's time to train. Alright, yeah. I'm closer today. Alright, so how are you guys today?
Good.
Okay, so the question of the day. Who cheats more, guys or girls?
Guys.
Alright. Rate us 1 to 10. Me and him.
You and him?
Yeah.
Like a
So,
4 and a 5.
4 and 5?
What the fuck? Like, this not, that wasn't even funny. Like, that was lame as shit.
Alright, last question. Can I run a train on you guys?
What?
Can I run a train on you guys? Like, can I run a train on you guys?
We're a train. Are you guys?
Bro, what the fuck what did you just say?
Yeah, both of you.
What do you mean? No.
Why not?
What did you say?
What did you say, nigga?
I don't know.
Can we run a train on you?
I don't. No. No, definitely not.
Why not?
Why?
Well, it's time to train.
Oh.
You stupid.
You guys sure? Alright, that's cool, bro. Nah, you guys are weird. You guys are weird, bro. It's just Thomas, bro.
Doing great. How's your day?
Good.
Good.
Okay, so how old are you?
I'm 18.
Okay, that's what's up. Okay, so who do you think cheats more, guys or girls?
I feel like it's probably about the same.
The same?
Yeah.
Alright. Last question. Do you think I can run a train on you?
Think you can run a train on me?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Like, can I run a train on you?
Yeah.
For real?
Nice. Made me happy, made me smile. Nice.
Okay, so how are you today?
You guys.
Alright. How old are you?
25.
That's what's up. Okay, so the question of the day. Who cheats more, guys or girls?
I don't know. You guys?
Alright, next question. Rate me out of 1 to 10.
I think you're very young.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care.
Okay, I'm 9.
Why does everybody say you're only 16 years old?
They say what they want to say.
How old
So
are
how
you?
old are you?
300.
Nigga, I'm 300, man.
Okay.
Okay, last question. Can I run a train on you?
You know what?
Can I run a train on you?
What is going on here? This is not normal. This is not how things are supposed to function.
No.
Why not?
I don't know what that means.
Can we run a train on you?
Under me?
Like on you?
No.
Why not?
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
I don't know.
Bro, it's a train.
Good one.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Thomas the tree.
Yeah, bro.
My nigga.
If you have a stepmom, are you sleeping with her husband?
If you have a stepmom, are you sleeping with her? Alright.
40.
Oh, alright. Alright, Adam, how are you today?
I'm good. How about yourself?
I'm great, thank you. Now, if you have a stepdad, are you sleeping with his wife?
Yes or no? Fast.
Yes or no question?
No, because that's my mom.
Good job. Alright.
Okay, what's your what's your craziest soup story?
Maybe a soup story?
Yeah.
No one knows what that means.
Okay, what's your craziest sex story?
Oh. I don't know.
No, we not saying bro. Like, for the people, man.
For the people, how many
School
people? How many
project.
people? How many people?
I don't know.
For a
It's
school project,
Yeah,
you're telling me to do this?
Yeah, school project.
What class?
Sex education.
Oh.
It's our introduction, so we're trying to find new people. It's Corona time, so.
I'll pass on that, but thank you.
Alright.
With
Lauren.
Lauren, how are you today?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Alright, so I'm great too. So if you have a stepdad, are you sleeping? And wait, a stepmom, are you sleeping with the
Husband?
Yeah, the husband.
Okay.
No.
Dude, I fucked that up.
Yeah, he's not
Reversing is
good.
fucked up,
He's not
bro.
really good with that. Like,
Nah, dude.
question of the day. Okay, if you had a stepdad, you smash his wife?